mature of the other breeds. On the whole, very good presentation. Most of the display was pretty well natured. So thank you all for allowing me to handle your cats. My 15th is a Seal Point Burman female in 73. My 14th is a Black Tortoiseshell Classic Tabby Bicolour Exotic female in 79. Continuing with the exotics, my 13th is the Black Classic Tabby Bicolour male in 78. Red Van Persian female in 94 is my 12th. My 11th is a female Maine Coon Black Classic Tabby and White in 85. My 10th is my third best ragdoll, Seal Bicolour male in 109. Another Maine Coon female, solid black in 88 is 9th. Another Maine Coon female, Black Classic Tabby in 80 is 8th. My best Siberian in 132 is 7th. My second best ragdoll, a male blue bicolour female in 119 is 6th. Is that enough? Can I go to lunch now? Okay. National show, so let's promote yourselves and your exhibits. Can we have 84, 81, 92, 113 and 82? Repeating, 84, 92, 81, 113 and 82.
Hands. Hand.
Yeah, what are we missing? 113.
This teaser's on you guys.
Who are we missing? Ragdoll coming?
Yep, ragdoll coming. Here he comes.
84 out?
Yes.
80, 113 coming?
Yep.
82.
I guess. Show us around. Yeah.
So my steward brings out the heaviest of the lot. And whilst we're all together, my assignment's made a lot easier by having a capable steward. So can we have a round of applause for Tracy? Great job.
Tracy. Good one.
So what you see in front of you, everybody, are 5 wonderful representatives of the entire class in Group 1. Persian, Ragdoll, 2 Maine and 3 Maine Coons. The Maine Coon standard, from my point of view, is very high today. It's lovely to see the size and the balance, that they're not getting too long, too lean. They're keeping that conformation with their body. sometimes you get a bunch of Maine Coons where the profiles have gone way too straight. It's not a straight profile, it's a gentle dip straight to the tip. These guys all show that. At national show level, things like conformation and even carrying a little bit extra condition make the difference between a position. So he's got 3 owners, this boy.
There's a nutcap girl.
So these are the futures of our breed. So it's good to see such quality rising to the top in my assessments. Remembering it's all subjective. This is my assessment to the standard that you're all breeding to. They've all had big days, as I have. My 5th is a Maine Coon, red, classic, tabby and white. Grumpy one. My 4th, 82. My 4th is my best ragdoll in 113. My 3rd is a Maine Coon, black mackerel, tabby and white in 84. And we have 2. Drum roll. My reserve today is the Maine Coon and my best is the 3rd.